Department of Science and Technology. Philippine Council for Industry, Energy and Emerging Technology Research and Development. University of Perpetual Help System Delta Molino, College of Engineering, would like to present the Institution Development Program entitled Establishment of Internet of Things Laboratory, Research and Training Center. Background. According to a study on IoT connected devices worldwide 2030 by Vailshari in 2021, there is an ever-increasing number of Internet of Things IoT connected devices in use around the world, which is estimated at 22 billion in the year 2018. There is also a study by Gartner Incorporated, 2020 Gartner IoT Implementation Trends Survey. After the COVID-19 outbreak, 47% of organizations are making plans for new investments in the IoT and 35% of organizations have already reduced their investments. Internet of Things systems and solutions are expected to rapidly increase in order to meet the demands of more companies and even consumers' needs. The knowledge and skills of IoT, particularly in the system design, development, and prototyping, implementation and test, is very important to provide opportunities towards building human resources that contribute to the current issues related to the increasing demands of IoT market and realization of smart cities in the Philippines. The presence of a research and training facility focusing in IoT can accelerate the capability of researchers, engineers and industry practitioner to explore of new IoT-based solutions, concepts, technology, systems and communication paradigms applied to wireless networks. General objectives.
The importance of having a research facility focusing on Internet of Things will enhance our research capability and interest among students, faculty, researchers, and professionals to design and develop new IoT applications like smart home applications, smart building management, IoT wearable applications to be used in healthcare, for example, and application in agriculture like smart farming. The IoT Lab is also a training center wherein it will conduct trainings and certification in order to provide knowledge, skills, and competencies and technology transfer to students and professionals to address the large demands for skilled and qualified IoT practitioners.
Specifically, this project aims to 1. Create a facility that provides virtual simulation of IoT system design, configuration, implementation and test. Smart equipment, devices and components can be offered in the virtual learning environment. It expands the interoperability of remote laboratories by creating an architecture that complies with the IEEE 1876 networked smart learning objects for online laboratory standard through integrating a smart adaptive interface. The API uses communication devices like LoRa modules and other supporting components. Different activities can be implemented in the laboratory as follows: machine learning tasks, laboratory test measurements, sensor blocks. The second objective is to set up a full Internet of Things infrastructure that applies basic to complex automation with the use of different sensors, actuators, IoT devices, and other electronics devices connected to the Internet. Let us all witness the conceptual design of the IoT Research Laboratory and Training Center, a walkthrough to the IoT Lab. The IoT Lab shall have 8 workstations for simulation, configuration, and programming of IoT devices. Also, the IoT Lab will have an intelligent building system integration and Internet of Things technology training equipment. The third objective is to develop technical consultation and laboratory services in the field of IoT design, simulation, and implementation, through the help of professional organization, the Institute of Electronics Engineers of the Philippines or ISEP. The fourth objective is to create IoT course curriculum, training, and certification through the help of the industry organization, Mechatronics and Robotics Society of the Philippines, MRSP, and Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, TESDA. The Department of Science and Technology, Philippine Council for Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology Research and Development Institution Development Program. Establishment of the Internet of Things Laboratory, Research and Training Center. In partnership with Naval Research and Technology Development Center, Institute of Electronics Engineers of the Philippines, Mechatronics and Robotics Society of the Philippines, and Technical Education and Skills Development Authority.